Today I am reviewing the LG 27U631A-B 27-inch QHD IPS monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are searching for a high-quality, versatile monitor that can handle both professional productivity and casual entertainment without breaking the bank, you have likely come across the LG 27-inch QHD monitor, model 27U631A-B. Today, we are breaking down everything this display has to offer, from its pixel-dense panel to its smart multitasking features, to help you decide if it is the right upgrade for your workspace. Let us jump right into the visual experience, because the panel is where this monitor truly shines. This is a 27-inch display featuring a Quad HD resolution of 2560 by 1440. If you are upgrading from a standard 1080p monitor, the difference is immediate. You get significantly sharper text, finer details, and way more digital screen real estate to look at multiple windows at once. Because LG utilized an IPS panel here, you can expect exceptionally vivid, vibrant visuals. Plus, thanks to the 178-degree wide viewing angles, the colors and contrasts stay completely accurate even if you are sitting off-center. When it comes to color accuracy, this monitor delivers up to 99% coverage of the sRGB color spectrum. Combined with HDR10 support, it ensures that your photos, videos, and casual games pop with realistic color depth. While it is primarily designed as a powerhouse for work and multimedia, LG did not ignore the gaming crowd. This monitor comes equipped with a smooth 100Hz refresh rate and a 5-millisecond gray-to-gray response time. Moving from a traditional 60Hz office display to 100Hz makes everyday motion look noticeably more fluid. Scrolling through long documents or panning across a game map feels incredibly seamless. LG has also included their proprietary dynamic action sync technology, which minimizes input lag so you can react to on-screen action in real time. To give you an extra competitive edge, the built-in black stabilizer feature selectively brightens up dark, shadowy areas in games, making it much easier to spot opponents who might be hiding in the dark. One of the standout design elements of this model is its productivity workflow. It features a modern, three-sided virtually borderless design. Those ultra-thin bezels not only look sleek on your desk, but they also make it an ideal candidate for a dual-monitor setup, giving you a nearly seamless transition from one screen to the next. The monitor sits on an ultra-slim, space-saving stand engineered to minimize desktop clutter and give you maximum workspace efficiency. If you prefer to use a custom monitor arm, it is fully compatible with a standard 100 by 100 mm VSA mount. For connectivity, you get standard HDMI ports, but the real star of the show is the built-in USB Type-C port. This single port allows you to connect an external device like a modern laptop, send a clean video signal to the monitor, and receive 15 watts of power delivery to trickle charge your device, all using one single cable. It drastically simplifies your desk setup. To help you manage all of that screen space, LG offers the innovative Switch app. This software essentially transforms your display into an ultimate multitasking hub. You can effortlessly split your screen into up to 6 distinct sections, customize your ideal layouts, or even launch a video call with a mapped hotkey. It even allows you to navigate smart features with ease and switch seamlessly between your computer input and built-in WebOS streaming platform capabilities. Finally, because many of us spend 8 to 10 hours a day looking at a screen, LG built in dedicated eye comfort features. The reader mode reduces harsh blue light emissions to simulate the experience of reading actual paper, while the flicker-safe technology eliminates invisible screen flickering. Together, these features dramatically reduce eye strain and fatigue during long work marathons. To wrap it all up, the LG 27U631A-B is an incredibly well-rounded monitor. It expertly bridges the gap between everyday office productivity, creative work, and casual gaming. With a crisp 1440p resolution, a smooth 100Hz display, and the clutter-free convenience of USB Type-C, it is an excellent investment for anyone looking to build a clean, efficient, and beautiful desktop setup.